Hi, this is Rex the Roofer here with Masterpiece. Let's talk about a couple of things in regards to the difference between an ACV policy and a RCV policy for your roof replacement. The first thing that you need to know about ACV, that stands for actual cash value. So what the insurance company does is they depreciate the roof. Let's say you have a 20-year roof, it's been on 10 years. They're going to depreciate the roof by 50% because it's been on for that length of time. And it only have half of its life expectancy after that. So the insurance company will give you the ACV check for your roof replacement, and then they'll get invoiced by your roofer for the RCV or the depreciation. Unfortunately, a lot of people with their roof replacement, they don't have a RCV policy. That means a replacement cost value. RCV is replacement cost value. ACV is actual cash value. So that's worth what the roof is worth now. And then RCV means once all the work is completed, they'll pay for the entire replacement of the roof. Unfortunately, a lot of insurance companies out there, and I won't mention names, but when it comes down to your roof replacement, they have got an ACV policy, and they're doing that a lot with shake shingles. And they do that a lot with 3-tabs now because they don't want the expense of having to replace it because you've let it go for too long and not taking care of it, because a lot of those roofs are in really bad condition, and they know that, and they know at some point you'll replace it, and they just don't want to get stuck with the whole bill. So when it comes down to your roof replacement, it's best to have an RCV policy, which is a replacement cost value policy, versus ACV. If you have ACV, that means not only are you going to have to pay your deductible for your roof replacement, but you're also going to have to pay for the depreciation because they're not going to cover that. So you get, and if let's say you have a $10,000 roof, for example, and you have, half of the life expectancy has been used up, then you're going to have to pay that $5,000 plus, let's say your deductible is $1,000. Plus your deductible, so that's $6,000 you're going to have to come out of pocket for that roof replacement. So keep that in mind whenever you're purchasing an insurance policy, because a lot of times people get stuck with that at the end and they don't know they have that. The insurance company or agent didn't explain that to them. And it's real important for your roof replacement to have an RCV policy. So check with your agent, make sure that you've got the right kind of policy, because you don't want to get caught up in a hailstorm and then find out after the fact. So pick up the phone, give us a call here at Masterpiece Roofing and Painting. Let us turn your roof into a masterpiece.